Assalamu alaikum everyone. First of all, thank you so much for shortlisting me and giving me the opportunity for this interview. I am Mehvesh Javed. I have recently completed my MBA from IBA Punjab University, Lahore. Before that, I have completed my BBA honors from the same department. Coming towards my family background, my father is a private employee at German Auto Workshop. I have two brothers. My elder brother is married and he is also a private employee at German Auto Workshop. My younger brother is doing FSC Pre-Engineering from FCCU Lahore. Unfortunately, my mother has died and my elder sister is a housewife. Coming towards the demonstration of the leadership roles, I demonstrated many leadership roles at many of my university projects and events and led a team of many people. While participated in one of the biggest events of the LUMS, I was leading a team of 8 members. When I first started working in the previous roles, I carried out an observational assessment of each team member's strengths and weaknesses. I spoke to each team member individually to explain where they needed to improve and the reasons why. I then enrolled all of them onto the work according to the expertise and the work, which they needed to complete within a short notice of 10 to 15 days. Ultimately, we stood first among the 16 universities and won the competition of LUMS Marketing Colloquium back in 2016. The major professional achievement of my life is that I have recently presented my research work in International Conference of Business Administration 2021, and by the grace of Allah Almighty, my research paper has been declared as the best in the track of social media and digitization. The topic of my research was impact of electronic word of mouth on purchase intention. The long-term and short-term goals of my life included that in short-term goals, I want to learn from my peers and colleagues and want to grow in the company hierarchy in next to 2 to 3 years. 5 years down the line, I want to see myself as a marketing manager. If I talk about my long-term goals, in next 8 to 10 years, I want to become a director in the company so that I can lead multiple projects. At the same time, I also want to contribute to the firm's growth at the business level. Thank you so much for listening me and looking forward for the positive response from you people. Thank you.